got big clearance at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. We got the golf carts here, the electric ones for just under $1,000 or $10,000. Yes, Lowe's, it seems to be that they're clearing out some of the tools because they're like, putting new sections in. Last weekend I went to Lowe's and there were no Metabo HPT tools. However, on this one I did go and I did see them, but you guys are gonna see how they rearranged them. All right, so we got the these are the John Deere's. There's different ones available. John Deere is a really good brand. However, I do not have experience with these tractors, but from what I heard, they're pretty good. These are the different ones that they have, and they do have several different options. They have forward and reverse. They got the fuel tank, if it's full empty, and $23.99 is the price. 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut width. All right, so let's go into the Husqvarna. You got the different inches there, level cut. Then you got the throttle, the parking, and really nice steering wheel and really nice seats. I personally like this one a little bit better because it seems to be like it's a little bit more comfortable. It seems to be the seat seems to be a little bigger and wider. And this one's $24.49, was $25.99. It is a 22 horsepower, 46-inch cut width. And then we got the Craftsman, just for a quick comparison. To the right, we got the Craftsman. Really nice steering wheel. And then we got the throttle. And then we got it looks like the cut height or the parking. And then we have the key on and off. This one's $21.39, 42-inch cut, and 17.4 horsepower. 2-year warranty. Not bad. Some nice headlights. Alright, so $269 was $329. This is clearance. It's a Craftsman push mower with the side discharge. 40cc comparable. $249. A 16-inch. And you got the Husqvarna 40.9cc. 263 was $329. 16-inch, and then this was the 18-inch with the 440 chainsaw. This was a 16-inch with the 40.9. All right, so you got the 765 CFM. 279 was $349. A backpack blower. These are pretty big units. And then we got some storage here for the garages on clearance or on sale. 134 down from 149. And then we got this bigger one here down to 159 from 179. Pretty good deals on those. And then we have the corded peg hook, 8-pack, $11.98. That's an example of how you can hang your tools. That's the clearance section, by the way. We got those work platforms, ladder rack, combo pack. 54 down from 79. It's actually the only one of the few stores that has them. All right, so this is an example of what a mini split AC system looks like. Great for the garages. They got all sorts of sizes from smaller to big. So from single garage to 4-car garage maybe. Well, this is what it looks like. This is the unit that goes on top, on the inside, and then we got the exterior unit with the condenser and that is the hoses that you're gonna have to drill through the wall. So not a big hole, just a really small hole on your wall. Not like the window, the window units that take out a lot of space, a lot of real estate there. Alright, so you got the 3 amp hour battery. And some more of these are on clearance. 287. This is an impact driver drill driver with 2 power stacks. So 287 down from 319. Alright, some Klein tools. 39.98. Pretty nice premium electrical test kit. You got 8.97 down from 9.98 to 3-ounce night eye chalk reel. You got the Crescent Lufkin. That's the chalk reel right there. 8.98 for the 7 1/4 24 tooth. 19.98 for the 14-piece titanium drill bit set. So that's the framing 24 tooth, and then we got the 14-piece drill bit set. Alright, so you got 17.98 scraper knife blades plus 5 blades. So you got the scraper plus the 5 blades. 9.98 and 24.98 for the aluminum level, 48 inches, rafter square. Cobalt utility mixer, 379. This is not bad at all. You got a tool combo kit, 249 down from, actually that's the regular price. But what I wanted to show you guys is you guys still have lifetime warranty. Make sure you guys register your products all the way until December 31st. Your choice here, 149 and 99 for the first tool there. So pretty good deals on these. And this was 118 on clearance. Impact wrench, bare tool. We've seen this every store. Then we got another deal here. Here's a soldering iron. I believe this one's battery operated. It's $13.57 down from $24.98. And you got a 10-piece Stinger spade bit set. Yes, $3.67 down from $12. That is a killer deal on these guys. These are just pretty much a freebie for $3. Really good deal. I had to take one for the channel, so we could do some test reviews for those drills and all that. So that is the new skills section. That's what it looks like. You got the reciprocating saw there at $149, and it is the kit. You got the sander for $119. You got the angle grinder for $149, circular saw $129. Those are all kits, by the way. Drill driver, $99. $99.98. Brushless compact jigsaw kits. And then you got the auto brushless hammer kit for $119. Impact driver, $79.98. It's a really nice tools. You got the inflator. It's a really compact small inflator, $44. That is tool only. You got the sander. That is the kits. And then you got the drill driver. Compact drill driver for $59.98. Alright, so this is what the Metabo section looks like. Seems like they renovated, pretty much putting brand new tools in there. And that's what it looks like. And then we have the DeWalt buy one get one free. So that is you buy the power stack DeWalt and get a free bare tool. So DeWalt power stack 5 amp hour battery, and you get your choice of a free bare tool. Pretty good deals there. You got the skill mercenary bit set and the gold bit set there for $17.98. A drill driver kit for $49.98. So any of those kits. And then you got the drill driver kit there at the bottom. And then some more on clearance and on sale. This one's $59. Impact driver. This is 12 volts. Down from $79.98. You got the, what is that, the 5-tool combo kit there for $149. And then $49 for the impact driver and drill driver. You got your choice of select Craftsman V20 combo kits and get a free battery, guys. So you got all the kits there on the top and get a free battery. We got the Cobalt combination wrenches, 28 piece, $25 down from $29. Look out on clearance on these because they will be dropping them. Some lows will dropping them really low. I seen them at the DO Team 6 Facebook group. Some of these are just crazy low. It's amazing what you guys find out there. So, all right. So this is the big clearance section. This is like they're giving us a clearance section for the power tools. Got the pancake air compressor 71 that was 79. Then you got the 7-tool combo kit for $5.99. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop that even lower. You got a dual port charger for $209 was $299. It's from DeWalt's. It is a fast charger. You got a cordless hammer drill and impact driver $129. And then you got the scale there drill driver for $49. And you got some drills there for $79. So drill driver kits for $79, down from $149. You got a circular saw there for $69.50, and then you got a jigsaw for $119. So pretty good deals on those. 6.5 amp 111, and then you got these made in the USA impact drivers. These are really strong tools, $89 a piece, drill driver. So pretty good deals on those. And then we got some more deals here that they had on the display area. $32 for a drill driver. You got a circular saw blades for $8. A 10-inch saw blade for $34 was $49. Smaller there for $8. You got this Bosch circular saw for $64 was $129. And then this reciprocating saw is a beast, guys. Definitely check that out. Yeah, a lot of these are getting on clearance. So, and then we got this one for $84 was $169. You got the rotary hammer there for $99 was $199. Then you got the angle grinder there. What else we have? We got a belt sander for $37 was $74. Some really good deals. Definitely check these out. $54.50 was $109. You got this for concrete nailing, $17. 4-piece combo for $263 was $329. And then we got this impact wrench combo for $183 was $129. So lots of good deals, guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Some really good deals. We do have some pony stands here, or sawhorses. But anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on the next one.